Everybody, let's jump into Canyon Country today, November 15th, 2024. It's the 320th day of the year, 46th week of 2024. Of course, every day I do a separate daily update for each one of the Santa Clarita Valley cities, and there are 6 of those besides Acton and Agua Dulce. So we have Canyon Country, Castaic, Newhall, Saugus, Stevenson, Rancho, and Valencia. Today on Friday, I do Canyon Country, so let's talk about what's happening, and I'll do a deep dive. We'll talk about what's sold, what's active. Access on that is going to be everything at SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com. Let's break down the current statistics from the 128 active and coming soon residential listings in Canyon Country, providing you a snapshot of the market. Now, if you go to SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com, it's unlocked. You can see all of them. As soon as a property hits the market, it'll be reflected on that site, and you'll be able to check them out. Total active listings, currently 128 active residential listings in Canyon Country. That's going to cover single-family residences, condos, townhomes, and residential real estate 1 to 4 units. Single-family residents, these listings from the majority cover a wide price range from approximately $700,000 on the low end up to $2.75 million on the high end. That's definitely going to cater to varying preferences and budgets. For condominiums and townhomes, they're more affordable, with prices generally ranging from around $300,000 at the low end to $600,000. This price point is attractive for first-time buyers and those seeking the low maintenance option. Now, for closed sales in the last 60 days, a total of approximately 45 properties have sold in the last couple months. This represents moderate market activity as we move into the year-end time frame. The median price for homes in Canyon Country was around $740,000, which reflects a steady demand in the market for the area. Properties in Canyon Country are staying on the market for an average of 44 days. Single-family homes tend to take slightly longer to sell than condos, which move more quickly due to their accessible pricing. And of course, homes are generally selling at a median price of $440 per square foot, although this varies based on location, age, and features. 1 bedroom sold for an average of $363. 2 bedrooms around $455. Bedroom residences around $700, 4 around $820, and 5+ are generally above $1 million. Again, there's going to be variations in that, but at least you get an idea. For the sellers out there, utilizing a 30-day price adjustment, if your property's been on the market for over 30 days, consider that minor price reduction. This adjustment can boost the visibility by triggering those fresh alerts, so people are getting listings emailed to them, typically by their agent or by whatever syndication site they're playing on. Once that adjustment is made, they get it again, so it gives them a second time. Also, as far as online exposure, photographs and virtual tours are a must. You definitely want your property to stand out. And then, of course, pricing slightly below market value. In some cases, that's a great thing for agents to offer. Just be careful. If you go too low, you might end up getting a much lower than you're hoping for price. For buyers out there, you definitely want to make sure you're pre-approved. Ensure all your documentation is prepared, including your proof of funds. A complete offer package sends signals to sellers you're serious and ready to act, giving you stronger position in competitive situations. And of course, accommodating the seller's preferred closing timeline or offering a rent back period can make your offer more appealing, especially if flexibility is a priority to a seller. So besides price, there are other strategies and tactics you can use to get your offer up to the top so it's competitive with the others. Also, you can reduce contingency timeframes. You don't want to move a lot. You just have to be careful because those are your rights. So watch out for that. If you're having people tell you to remove contingencies and give up specific rights like timeframes and inspections, I would take a step back and maybe go seek someone out if you have family. Not many of us do, but some of us have great family. You can go talk to the family and maybe see if that's maybe a good move. All right, so in conclusion, solid options in Canyon Country this week for both buyers and sellers. Also, if you want to get a better guide on everything Santa Clarita, I did do a specific book. Brand new edition just came out, Santa Clarita Guide. You can go to SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com/book, and you'll be able to get the Kindle edition. As far as today goes, the Kindle edition's ready. I am working on the cover for the print edition, but it should be done, well, probably by noon today. I have to go in and make it a different size. I hope you're well. Thank you so much for checking this out. And we will be back, of course, tomorrow with our Castaic update. Saturday's Castaic real estate updates. Please check it out throughout the week. We have Valencia, Canyon Country, Saugus, Stevenson Ranch, Newhall, Castaic. All of the cities are represented, and I'm happy to serve. Be well. We'll talk to you soon. I'm Connor with Honor. Over and out.